Today in this video, I'm going to show you like how you can promote your Amazon product using a website, and also how you can create a short link from your Amazon account, and also how you can get coupon code. For example, if you see some website that are providing coupon codes, so like product coupon code, how you can collect this thing and how you can publish it on your website. I will show you all the things step by step, so stay tuned. First of all, you have to log in your affiliate account that I already know. As you can see, I already log in here, and here at the option keyword or assign or ISBNs. For example, now I want to promote is like a microphone, so I just search microphone, I just search it and enter button and give you some product here. As you can see, this is the product, lots of product there. For example, my website is reviewing this microphone. My website is related microphone. Then what I do, I just search here the keyword and just find out the specific product, and here's the option like get links, and here the three dot option, just the arrow option, just click on the arrow option, then you will get this type of option here. As you can see, they are giving us link, and here is the another short link option. So if you want to share it if you want to need this short code, or if you want to promoting using YouTube video and other thing, then you can use this thing. Okay, so this is the short code, and now I hope people are understand how to get this short code. And if you click on this get link here button, get link button, then it just redirect to another page, and there they will give you the code, the short code, I think. So here showing the live preview option. So how you want, you can take it. So if you want to take the only text, then you can do. If you want to take only image, then you can take everything as you wish. Okay, now to promote this product, we have to copy this here. Just copy this HTML code. To promote this product, you have to copy this link and go to your website, and you have to install a plugin. Its name is Ads Inserter, Ad Manager, AdSense Ad. Just search in here, just click on plugin and click on add new and search this plugin, then activate this plugin. When you activate successfully, then go to setting and just click on add inserter button. Now add here the text that you recently copied. This is the iframe, and how are you want to show? I want to show in the post, and now I'm not going to enable it because I want to show it only widget. Okay, so only widget. So I think they not have this option, that's why I'm make it disable, and just save it. And let's go to widgets. To get widget, set the appearance and click on widget. Then you will see the add widget inserted button. Just add into your sidebar, then you can easily implement this product in your website sidebar. So this is the one way, and let me show you the another way. For example, if you're writing any article, then you can post this link on your website. For example, now let me go to the text mode, and let me paste here the link, and if you go to the visual mode, then you will see the product here. You will see the product. As you can see here, showing the product, people can easily buy the product. Most of the people are following the same thing that I'm showing you. I'll already show you some way for promoting Amazon product on your website. Let me show you how you can get the coupon code, some coupon code or product offer product, how you can promote that. So to do that, here's the option home, then product linking, the promotion option. So if you see Amazon promo code, okay, and also here's some tools are available, but you have to go promotion, Amazon promo codes. Okay, so when you come on there, then as you can see here, some other things available. For example, here they are giving us 75% of selected product from this. Here computers, tablet and components are there 60%. So you have to click on this get links button, then you will able to see the links, HTML link and the short code and other things, all this available. So I hope now you understand. So here is some other product. If you want to go click on the arrow button, then you will see the more options. So here they are giving us say 50% of selected Hummel products. So just click on here, and now copy the code and go to your website, then you can post. But if you carefully see here is the promo code. If you see, the promo code is here. So if you want, you can add it in your website. So let me give you an example of what I'm just saying here. I hope people are not understanding. I think Amazon promo code, I just search in Google, then you'll see. So here is the website. It's offering Amazon promo code, and here's the another promo code. Here is the another website for promo code. I'm telling about something like, as you can see here, get to this here, this link, then they just redirecting us another website, I think. No, oh yes, they're just redirecting us with their affiliate ID. Okay, now as you can see, we're getting some of our product. So this is something like, okay, this is something like, and now you can make this type of you know, thing. Now you can do it, and now you can generate it. And as you can see, they are giving us promo code that we recently got from here. I think this is the promo code. Okay, I hope guys now you get a simple idea, and now you can create the promo codes, and now you can take in the promo codes from Amazon, and now you can promote it via your own website. So if you don't have any website and if you want to make it, then please check GetWP Expert and tell them I want to create Amazon affiliate website and I want to earn money. I hope they will help you for building your website. Thanks for watching.